Hello everyone, welcome to SRN Knowledge Center. I am faculty at SRN International School. Today I will be teaching you about coordinate geometry. So let's come to our topic. What do you understand by coordinate geometry? In coordinate geometry, we define the coordinates of a point in a plane with reference to two mutual perpendicular lines in a same plane. It also includes plotting of points in the plane, which is used to draw the graphs of linear equation in Cartesian plane. Now before proceeding, we should know about the Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane is a plane which is defined by two perpendicular lines. One is x-axis, which is horizontal, and the y-axis, which is vertical. Using these axes, we can describe any point in the plane using an ordered pair of numbers, and these ordered pair is known as coordinates. The central point where both the axes meet is known as origin point, whose coordinates are 0, 0. The another name of x-axis is abscissa and of y-axis is ordinate. As you can see in the figure, the Cartesian plane is divided into 4 quadrants. These are numbered from 1 through 4, starting from upper right and going around counterclockwise. For quadrant first, both coordinates are positive as they lie towards the positive sides of the axis. For quadrant second, x-axis is negative and y-axis is positive. As in this, for x-axis we are moving towards the left from the origin, and all the values towards the left of the origin is always negative. And for y-axis we are moving towards upper portion from the origin, and the values towards the upper side from the origin is always positive. For quadrant third, x-axis is negative and the y-axis is negative. As in this, for x-axis we are moving towards the left from the origin, and all the values towards the left of the origin is always negative. And for y-axis we are moving towards the downward position from the origin, and all the values towards the downward side from the origin is always negative. For quadrant fourth, x-axis is positive and y-axis is negative. As in this, for x-axis we are moving towards the right from the origin, and all the values towards the right of the origin is always positive. And for y-axis we are moving towards the downward portion from the origin, and all the values towards the downward side from the origin is always negative. That's all. I hope now you all are able to plot the coordinates or the ordered pair of numbers in the Cartesian plane. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.